Hey all, welcome to our quick dive to YieldMax funds. These exchange traded funds or ETFs have gained a lot of attention for their exceptionally high income payouts. But how do they work and what are their most prominent offerings? YieldMax ETF don't buy stocks directly. Instead, use a sophisticated option strategy like a synthetic covered call. Imagine you want to benefit from a stock like Apple or Tesla and also get a big income paycheck. YieldMax funds create this exposure using option contracts and then sell call options against those positions to generate premiums. These premiums are then distributed to shareholders, often monthly or even weekly, which is a major draw for investors looking for consistent cash flow. They do invest heavily in US Treasury for collateral and additional income. However, there's a trade off. In exchange for that high income, these funds typically have a capped upside potential. This means if the underlying stock goes up, the YieldMax funds won't capture all of its gains. They also face a downside risk similar to owning a stock, and payouts can be inconsistent and potentially fluctuating month to month. Let's take a look at a few of their famous funds. TSLY, YieldMax Tesla Option Income Strategy ETF. This was the first fund launched back in 2022 targeting the Tesla stock. It uses the option strategy to provide income from Tesla volatility. NVDY, the Nvidia Option Income Strategy ETF. This is focused on Nvidia. This fund applies the same income generating strategy to capitalize the high volatility of this popular tech stock. MSTY is another fund. This fund targets the MicroStrategy stock, which has significant holdings of Bitcoin, indirectly linking BSTY to Bitcoin's performance and volatility. ULTY is another stock that is quite famous. A more diversified approach compared to the single stocks. ULTY is a portfolio of 15 to 20 volatile stocks and has shifted its strategy to a featured more on a weekly distribution aiming to maximize income. It gained considerable popularity, growing to over 3 billion in assets under management by September 2025. ULTY has delivered strong recent returns, outperforming the S&P 500 early in 2025 with its dividends reinvested. YMAX is another popular fund. This is also called fund of funds that invests in many other YieldMax funds, offering broader diversification across various high growth stocks. It aims to reduce the single asset risk inherent in TSLY or MSTY. It is important to remember these funds are actively managed, typically with exposure ratios around 1. While attractive for income focused investors who are comfortable with the risk, understanding their complex structure and potential for capital erosion is crucial. These products are specialized and not always suitable for the long buy and hold strategy. I hope this video explained you the details about the popular YieldMax funds that's in market. Do let us know if you need further information on these YieldMax accounts. We could post more information around YieldMax. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.